Hello to everyone, my name is Carolina Jaramillo, and in this presentation I'm gonna talk about cognitive dissonance. So the main idea of this theory is that human beings have an innate motivation to maintain attitudes and beliefs in harmony. Sometimes there are conflicts where two cognitions are inconsistent, and we will always try to get back that harmony and have a cognitive consistency. The author about this theory is Leon Festinger, who is an American social psychologist who was an American social psychologist born in 1919 and died in 1989. He is well known in the field of psychology because he worked in MIT, University of Michigan, Stanford University, and he had these three theories that are mainly why his job was important. So the first one is cognitive dissonance, the second one is the effort justification theory, and the third one is the social comparison theory. As a social psychology, his theories and research was mainly in the behavior of the human beings. So let's talk about the cognitive dissonance. It happens when we have this situation involving conflict cognitions. So what is a cognition? A cognition can be an attitude, a belief, or a behavior. When we have this situation when two cognitions are against each other, we will feel discomfort, and we will have an inner drive to restore this balance and to avoid that disharmony or dissonance. So let's give an example so it can be clear. For example, smoking. I have one cognition that I am a smoker and I'm aware of that. And I have another cognition that I know that smoking causes cancer. So I'll have this conflict between these two cognitions because they are gonna be opposite. So how can I manage or how can I get back my harmony if I have these two cognitions? Well, the first thing we can do is changing one or more attitudes, behavior, or beliefs so it will be restored. For example, that I quit smoking and I'll change that dissonant element so we'll have the response of a harmony back. The second thing we can do is acquire new information. For example, thinking that smoking causes lung cancer will cause dissonance if the person smokes, but I'll have to do a research and see what other studies have provided that smoking causes lung cancer or not. So I'll have new information so I can decide and then I can react to having a new balance. Or a person could convince themselves that it's better to live for today than save for tomorrow. So I'll reduce the importance of one cognition, that is that smoking causes cancers, and I'll live like you only live once, and I'll keep smoking because I reduce the one of the cognitions that are in conflict. So about epistemology, ontology, and axiology, these are three questions that help us understanding theories. So ontology will always answers the question, what is the nature of reality? Epistemology, it will answer what is the nature of knowledge, and axiology is how we study values, and the ethics is the why we do the things. So let's start with epistemology. In this theory, the nature of knowledge comes by a rational way. What in ontology, what is the nature of reality? It is mainly based on biology and the environmental part. And as axiology studies the why, we will have a neutral value to to analyze that. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Thank you, and if you want more information, these are the sources I used for this presentation. Goodbye!